class student. In this chapter, force, work and energy, we have already learned about force, okay? Push and pull are called force, are known as force. And then we have learned about the effect of force. Force can make a stationary object move. Force can stop the moving object. Force can change the direction of the moving object. Force can change the shape of an object. And force can change the speed of a moving object. Means it can make a fast moving object slow and slow moving object fast. Okay, these are the effect of force. Then we have learned about the work. What is work? Okay, work are said to be done if the force applied on it can change the position of an object, then only work is done. Okay, then we have learned about the energy. The capability or ability of doing work is only known as energy. Then we have learned different kinds of energy: solar energy, heat energy, light energy, hydro energy, wind energy, magnetic energy, geothermal energy, electrical energy, and so on. Okay, many. So today we are going to learn about a source of energy. So in the previous class only, when we are learning about the solar energy, I have dealt now what is the source of solar energy, that is sun. Then we have learned about wind energy, then what is the source of wind energy, that is wind. Okay, and then heat energy, the source of heat energy, maybe we can say sun. Geothermal also, from the ground what heat is generating. Then some fuel, coal, petrol. Okay, cow dung cake also I said na, many fuel is over there. So these also used to generate the heat energy. So children, just now I said various source of energy: sun, wind, water, okay, cow dung cake, coal, petroleum. Okay, so all the source of energy we can divide into two types. Okay, one is renewable and other is non-renewable. Renewable source of energy and it is non-renewable source of energy. First of all children, what is the meaning of renewable? Renewable means we can make it again. Non-renewable means we can't make it again. But we can make all the energy again children. But why we are saying it is non-renewable? Because what the time span is making this type of source of energy is very long. Okay, the rate of using is more than producing of this type of source of energy. Okay, so we are saying it non-renewable. Okay, and this renewable, within a minute only we can produce, okay, again same energy. For example, sun energy, once we are using it is not finishing, now again we will get another day sun back. Okay, solar panel or solar cell what we are using, we will get again solar energy another day. So it is the renewable source of energy. So we have divided the energy into two parts: renewable source of energy and non-renewable source of energy. So the form of the fuel are very difficult to replenish as they take millions of years. I am saying time span is more here. This also we can make, but it will take more time. So we are saying it non-renewable, not possible. Okay, within a minute we are not getting, but this we can get again. This renewable source of energy we can get again. So what are the example of renewable source of energy? That is sun, solar energy, wind energy. Okay, otherwise we can write solar only. Solar energy, wind energy, hydro energy, means sun is their source of energy, we can renew. Wind is here. Water, we are having plenty of water in this world. Okay, falling from here and there. That energy we can use to make electricity. Then non-renewable is, what is non-renewable? Non-renewable example is coal, petrol, kerosene, etc. Why we are saying, just now I said, because it will take millions of years to produce. Okay, so it is non-renewable source of energy. So what came in your mind? We utilize this type of source of energy. How? Wisely. Okay, with rain we have to use. We have to minimize the use of this type of source of energy, because as we will use it, it will finish and it will take millions of years. I don't know after how many generations they will get coal. If you have finished, your son or your grandson will not get coal. Okay, what you will make, it will take millions of years to make a coal now. So we are finishing only, we are not getting it back. So it is better to use it less, and this type of energy we can use more. Okay, so it is better when we are using the electricity or anything, na children. In India, we are generating electricity by coal only. Okay, NTPC name you have heard now. NTPC, they are using this coal only to generate the electricity. They are boiling the water by the heat of this coal. Okay, by burning the coal, they are producing the heat, and by that heat, they are boiling the water, and by the steam of that water, turbines move, and like that we generate the electricity. So if we will use less electricity, or we will use it wisely, okay, so we can minimize, if wisely we are using the electricity, we will minimize the use of coal. Less electricity we need, then we can save this coal now. So it is better, children, when you are going out of a room, switch off fan, bulb and everything. Okay, don't waste electricity. Then children, gas also we are using. Okay, that is also petroleum only. So that also we should minimize, or we can't minimize, at least we can use it wisely. We can stop the wastage of these electricities and this gas. So we can save the fuel like this. And we will try, we are changing also. Now we are using wind power also to generate the electricity. Sun also we are using to generate the electricity. And then water also. There is a NHPC company, they are using the water only to generate the electricity. But it is very difficult in generating the electricity from here, because maybe the speed of wind will always not favorable to produce the electricity. There is some limitation. So generally, commonly in India, we are generating the electricity from the coal only, children. So don't waste electricity. So thank you, children. Have a nice day.